Hello everyone. Welcome to Kaboodle. In this module, we will see how to easily upload student photos and organize their portfolio without relying on third-party apps or worrying about storage. Let's explore the portfolio feature of the Kaboodle app. Click on My Class from the left panel. Click on Portfolio. Here, click on Photo or Video and select the desired file from the device. Write the caption for your picture. Now, click on Tag Students and you will get the list of your class's students. You can tag the students visible in the picture and only their parents will be able to see the picture. Now, click on Done. And then, click on Post. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded your picture. You can also tag more students even after uploading the picture by clicking on Tag Students. Now to view the pictures. You can also select the individual student from the students list and see their pictures. And yes, finally, you do not have to worry about storage as all the files are stored on the cloud and will always exist. Isn't that interesting? Hope it helped. Thanks for watching.